Hello everyone. So today's episode is going to be a little bit different because I'm currently moving all my files onto a new computer, so I don't have all the resources available at the moment, so I thought I'd do just a shorter one-off tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how to mod new strategic resources into the game. Let's get started.
So here we have a blank folder, and you're going to need 4 files in here. So new folder, you'll want common, new folder GFX, new folder with localization, and then you're going to want interface, and those are the 4 folders you'll need. So then in common we're going to need a new folder that is strategic resources. Inside we're going to need a new text document, and I'm just going to call it en new resources, and then we'll just start there. So we'll start there for now. So as with most of my mods, I have it already pre-built, but we're still going to go through. So to start your strategic resource, you can just do SR and then the name of your resource. And this tells the game, hey, we're adding a new strategic resource. This is also your localization key, or this will be this will make up part of your localization tree. If it's tradable, can it be bought on the market? Yes or no. Category where it define. I think this defines. I'm not sure actually. I think it's mostly just an aesthetic thing, but it could be something. Market amount. This is just the base that you can sell. Market price. That's the base energy cost to buy it, and then how many you can have at one point, so I put it at 15,000. Prerequisites, this is for any technologies that you will need before getting the strategic resource, like, so for the volatile modes, I think you have to have something that, I think it's volatile mode harvesting is the technology. Visibility prerequisite always equals yes, I'm not sure what this does at all, but I think for the most part it just says, hey, if you don't have the tech, you can't even tell that it's there. AI weight and wants, I just copied these from another strategic resource. I think the AI wants just determines how badly the AI wants to get the resource, but I'm not sure about what this AI weight does just yet. So yeah, that is just the very basics, but we still got a ways to go. That's all the coding to tell the game that there is a strategic resource. We still have a little bit more to go, but it's very simple just to add the base stuff. So now we're here and back in the game folders, and we're going to move out, and we're going to work on the interface folder next. So actually what we're going to do is go to the Stellaris game files, interface, copy this resource groups folder, go back to our mod, go to interface, paste, resources, and then we're going to delete everything except top bar other resource groups and delete it. And back here we can now go to interface, top bar resource groups, others, and up here you'll see a list of resources. What this interface does is it will display the resource that is needed. So this just tells the game, like, hey, that new resource you added, you can display it in this category. So if we go SR antimatter and go to this and save, and that's all we need for the interface folder. So now we're at the top again, and we're going to work on the GFX folder. So to add this, what this will do is this will add the icons to the game. So new folder, it will be interface. And that folder will be another folder titled icons, and there will be a new folder resources. And inside we will have the different icons. I have a few that I made for another mod, and so I'll just copy it here and paste it here. It's important that you do SR, you name it the same thing as this, or the key. Hey everyone, so Future Ezra here. I did a horrible job explaining this. So in Stellaris there are some graphics, such as for origins, that you have to encode where the file is located. But for most icons, they just have a folder and you can put them in, and the game knows where they all are. So yeah, that was I had a really bad explanation the first time. So for this, all you need to do is make sure that the key is the same for the file you want to use as your icon. Yeah, hopefully that explains it. And here we are at the top again, and the final folder we have to worry about is localization. So it's new folder, whatever language you're using, English. And then it'll be new folder, text document, and it would be L English. Wow, I can't even spell English right. Why am I trying to speak it? And you can just do I'll just do EN new resources L English. And then what you want to do is you can open it, file, save as, .english, all files, .yml, UTF-8 with BOM, close this, and you have a YAML source file, and you can delete this. And then in VS Code, it'll be L English, that, and it takes forever for it to actually recognize that, hey, this is a YML file. So in the meantime, we can do new resources, lightbulb, generate YML for this file, and they can go here, replace me with antimatter, or is it one word or two? Let's do one word, antimatter, and I think it's the electrical or matter made of antiprotons. No, antimatter is just the opposite of matter. And there you go. So as you can see in game right now, resources showing up. That's good. All the localization file is working. And that is how you add custom strategic resources to the game. Now, next episode, we're going to talk about something else, and we'll put this resource to good use.